Selling your home in Sarnia, Lambton? Receiving multiple offers can be exciting, but how do you choose which one to accept? Let's break it down. At Blue Coast Realty, we're your trusted experts in the Sarnia real estate market, helping buyers and sellers navigate the process with confidence. Whether you're buying a home in Sarnia or selling a home in Canada, our local insights and personalized service ensure you make the best decisions. So, you've got multiple offers. Great, but price isn't the only factor to consider. Here are some key elements to evaluate. Number one, offer price. The highest bid isn't always the best. Look at the terms and conditions attached to the offer. Two, the deposit amount. A larger deposit shows commitment and financial strength. Number three, financing conditions. Pre-approved financing or cash offers reduce the risk of a deal falling through. Number four, home inspection conditions. Some buyers waive inspections, which could mean a faster, smoother sale. Number five, closing date flexibility. Does the buyer's timeline align with yours? Number six, buyer motivation. A serious home buyer who plans to live in the property may be more reliable than an investor. Advanced strategies. Bidding wars. If competition is strong, ask buyers for their best and final offer. Contingencies. The fewer conditions usually means a smoother transaction. Financial strength. A well-qualified buyer with solid financing is a safer bet. Once you choose the best offer, work with your real estate agent to finalize the paperwork, fulfill conditions, and prepare for closing. Navigating multiple offers doesn't have to be overwhelming. For expert guidance and the latest market insights, reach out to Blue Coast Realty today. We'll help you secure the best deal for your home selling journey.